guys, welcome back to the vlog. So, let's get started with this vlog. Okay guys, so I just woke up and I'm about to get dressed, but I just woke up. I am so tired. It is currently 6:30 a.m. and yeah, I have school soon, but today's one of my days that I'm online for school. So yeah, I'm gonna get dressed and yeah, I am super tired. I'm super tired. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna eat breakfast soon and just get up. So yeah, today's November 2nd, and I'm very excited because in less than a month, well, in a month minus 1 day, my elf comes back for December 1st, so I'm so excited, and I cannot wait. And Christmas and Hanukkah is very soon, Christmas so soon, and I cannot wait. So yeah, I don't know why I'm talking about that, but I love it. And I started playing Christmas music October 1st. So yeah. So anyways, I'm going to see you in a bit. Oh yes, so it is currently 6:03 and I have to log back onto school. Wait, hold on. It is 7:03 and I have to log back onto school at 7:15. I'm just watching YouTube right now. I'm watching Nipri Rich. Sorry if I said that wrong. But I'm watching her and I love her videos. I've just started watching her channel and I've become obsessed with her videos. So yeah. So thank you guys. Oh, sorry guys, I accidentally did that with the camera. I said, okay, so anyways, as I was saying, thank you guys for 63 subscribers. I'm very happy, thank you so much. Woohoo, we're almost at 50, we can do this. Yeah, so I'm doing school. Don't worry, I'm on mute right now, I hope. Yeah, I'm on mute. Okay, so, basically today's a half day. Got my washers on and my dryer, and they're very loud. So today's a half day. So we end school at 11:35, and we still have lunch. Like a brunch or like a breakfast, but like IDK. So yeah, and I'm very bored. But yeah, so I almost have, well, I have math really soon. It's right now 7:29, and my Chromebook's at 12%. But I have 1 hour and 6 minutes left till it dies, so I think I'll survive. But yeah, so each class is cut into halves, so it's 30 minutes each class, pretty much. So yeah, 30 plus 30, 60. That's why I learned math. I'm kidding, but obviously, but yeah, so yeah, here's my class. Do your class? Whoops. Yeah, so see you guys in a bit. Bye. So right now I'm playing Among Us and calling my friends. Yeah.
to life. Okay? So I'll be on. I'm not gonna leave, but I'm gonna leave.
My mom's gonna try to do a car wheel. I wanted her to test it out.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Oh, I might need to try a couple times.
Okay.
Do you think I'll hit the bar?
No.
Okay.
Here, do it one more time. I want to get in there. She's trying to stretch now. Wait,
Yeah.
here, I'll show you a stretch.
Well, I'm old though. Okay, ready?
Wait.
Jeans
Here,
on.
watch one of my stretches.
I can't do that.
One more.
Alright, weirdo. Alright, ready?
Wait.
I'm gonna move the air chest back.
Okay. Okay, guys. If we can try to.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes. Go!
Okay. Yay!
Hey guys, I just finished playing, so first I played Roblox with my friend, Bloxburg, and then I played, Among Us with my two friends, so, yeah. So right now, I'm not doing anything. By the way, guys, I think I'll start uploading my challenge videos to this channel, because this is a vlog channel, so I feel like that makes sense. But I might do some on my Elena's Island channel. I'm not sure, so yeah. But it is, wait, what time is it? It's like, wait, it's 2:45 p.m. So yeah. 2:35 p.m. Oh no, I said 2:45 p.m. It's 2:46 now. And yes sir. I wonder if it's still that windy outside. Let's go outside and check. Okay guys. So right now, I'm gonna just like go to see if it's like still that windy outside. So as you guys probably remember, earlier it was super windy. Wait. Yeah, earlier it was super windy. Please don't fall, camera. Okay. So, oh my god, it is even cold and so cold recently. Wait, let's go outside for a bit. Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh my god, I'm actually just freezing it. It is so cold. Why is it so cold? Oh my god. I am so cold. Okay. So, yeah, so, oh my god, my hair is blowing everywhere. Okay. So, I am freezing, and also I'm on the grass, and the grass is even cold, so I'm walking, because what else is better to do? So I'm walking, I'm going on a walk in my flip-flops. So yeah, I'm walking, I'm running around the block. By the way guys, if you're wondering from my injury with my foot, it's much better. Oh no, a branch fell right next to my house. It's on my property. Wait, it's like the branch that fell. It is so windy. Oh my god, spider. Okay, oh my god, it's okay, my camera's about to blow away. I feel like, oh my god, it's so cold. I'm just like running with the wind, not at the wind with it. I'm so loud. But because I need you guys to hear me, but you probably can because it's still windy. Okay. Now I'm hot. Well, I'm not really hot actually. I'm just tired. Okay. Let's, yeah. Wait. It is so cold. Oh my god. I'm gonna freeze to death. Let's go inside. Oh my god. It's so cold. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's so cold. My feet are so numb. How do I
saying. My foot's way better from my injury when I fell on my skateboard. Here, I'll show you. Right now, it just looks like that. See it? It looks like it looked way worse before. So, oh my God, my feet are so cold. Why are my feet cold? My feet shouldn't be cold. Wait. You guys want to watch me do a wonderful trick? Ow. Wait. You're going to do kind of like a back walkover thing off the bar. But it's not a back walkover. It's like a handstand if you want it. So, yeah. Bam. Ow. Actually, that didn't hurt that much. Okay. So, that's what I'm doing. So, how's your life, people? Oh, yeah. It's over. And yes, I do have a lot of energy right now. I don't know why, but I'm tired. And I have energy at the same time. So, that's it for I guess. Oh my God. Whoa. That was a fail. A big one. Oh my God. Okay, backflip time. Hey yo, backflip check. I stepped the landing, but now I'm dizzy. So yeah, basically that is what I am up to. Woo! Wait. Ow. So yeah. Okay. But yeah, that's my life. Now my mom's trying a backflip off the bars. So here
Oh
we
my God, this bar feels like I'm gonna go down.
Wow.
Whoa!
I didn't get it. I got in there. Well, I did actually kind of get it.
I'm too heavy. That's
You
what
knocked
it is.
it down?
No, but it like the whole thing came up.
Oh, I've done that before. But it's because I went too hard. Oh my God, guys. It is so windy outside. Hold on, let me show you. It's so windy outside. I'm gonna lock my door. It is so windy outside. Oh my God, it's so cold. I'm gonna blow away. Oh, what's going on? It is so cold. Ooh, they're moving. Oh my God, it is so cold. Here, oh my God, wait. That is crazy. Why is it so cold? Oh my God, okay, I have to log in back for my next class soon. I have a 5-minute break in between, but like, oh my God, what, like what? Oh my God, it's so cold. It's so cold outside. No, guys, no, it is so windy. Well, I'm about to log in for my next class, but oh my God, why is it so cold outside? It's like freezing to death. Okay, she's still not in for social studies. But yeah, oh my God, it's so cold. So, yeah. Oh yes, I'm gonna end it there. It's right now 7:19 p.m. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.